Hi, my name is Devani Garcia, as you can see in the bottom of the paper, and I'm going to be talking about the parts of the eukaryotic cell. I'm going to start with the cell membrane, which is this part, and this is the outside boundary of the cell that controls which substances can enter and leave the cell. So basically, this part will be our bouncer. This part decides whether you go in or you go out of the cell. So, and I'm saying this because of the example that you gave in class. Now I'm going to be talking about the cytoskeleton, and this is what basically gives shape to the cell. So it's really important, right? And it's this little blue squiggly thing there. Now I'm going to be talking about the nuclear membrane. It's basically this part, like this thing. And it covers, protects, and filters the nucleus. So, and now this is the nucleus, right? This is the cell's control center. It directs all cell activities. So this is basically the brain of the cell. This is basically the smart, pretty girl that decides whether the club is lit or not. Now, I'm going to be talking about the cytoplasm, which is this blue thing. This is the book of the cell that contains other organelles. And this is the nucleolus, which is inside of the nucleus, and it's a small object within the nucleus that helps to make ribosomes. So this is important because this is the thing that makes sure that the drinks are being made, right? Now, this is the mitochondrion, and this thing, I don't know why I like it. It's what basically, I would say is one of the most important things of the cell because they produce most of the energy that the cell needs to carry out its functions. And it looks like an orange to me. Like if you cut an orange in half, I think this is what it looks like, so I like it. Now I'm going to be talking about the endoplasmic reticulum, which is the part of the cell that carries proteins and other materials from one part of the cell to another. So this is basically the waitress or the bartender that carries drinks from one place to another, right? Now I'm going to be talking about the ribosomes, which is this part, these little dots. You can see them throughout the cell. They are tiny grain-like structures used to make protein. So they're important because that's what they make. They make protein. I'm sorry. Now I'm going to be talking about the Golgi body, which is this thing. They receive proteins and other newly formed materials from the ER, package them, and distribute them to the other parts of the cell. So this is basically the backstage of the I'm sorry, of the club, right? This is what like storage the things and make sure they're packed, make sure everything is correct, and then distributes them throughout the club or the cell, in this part of the cell, right? Now I'm gonna be talking about, I think this is the last thing, or no, yes, it is the last thing. This is the lysosomes. Is this green thing, and they contain chemicals that break down large food particles and old cell parts. So this is basically the restroom. Why lie? So yeah, this is the cell parts. I gave more than which is labeled, but that's because I couldn't find another one that had the other things that I wanted to show you.